Hi, hello viewers. In this video, I would like to explain about how to make a simple logo design in Microsoft Word. Before going to that, a small request. Those who are watching new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and for latest update videos, press on that bell icon also. Now let us see the concept how to make a logo design, simple logo design in Microsoft Word. For that, observe here in insert tab from shapes, I'm taking this donut. See here, this one, this donut shape I am taking. This is called as donut shape. Okay, so this one I am taking donut. Okay, and draw a circle. Okay, by pressing shift key you have to draw. By that it will come exact circle. Okay, right. After that, with this yellow color, is there now here yellow color box? With this yellow color, so we can adjust the donut like this. Okay, right. After this, we have to remove the outline. No outline. After that, fill the color. Suppose here I am giving blue color. Okay, right. After that, again click on insert tab from shapes. So I'm taking this one, stars 32 is there na, 32 point star. I'm taking this one and I'm drawing. So here we have to adjust here. Okay, so we have to adjust perfectly at all the sides. Okay, right. After that, again with this yellow color box, we have to adjust this star like this. Okay, right. After that, again we have to take the donut. See here, again donut. So with shift symbol you have to draw. Yes, perfect. After that, again you have to adjust with this yellow color box. Okay, right. After that, we observe here for this one. So whatever the donut till now we have drawn, for that one we have to remove the fill color. No fill color. After that, no outline. Sorry, outline should be there, but no fill color. Okay, right. After this, okay, after this we have to type the organization name. After this we have to type the organization name. See here in insert tab, here we have the latest word art styles, but we want the styles which is of MS Office 97 to 2003. In 2000, this is a 2010 version, so we want the styles of 2003. For that we have to click on file tab, save as. Here while saving, save as type is there na, here we have to click on 97 2003 document and click on save. Okay, click on continue. So now you observe here some new styles you will observe. See here. Okay, here you type okay, click like this, right? After that, here in wrap text, in front of text, you have to click on in front of text. After that, here change shape is there na, here we have to click on this option, see here, so this option, we have to click on this option, okay, this option, right? After that, if you want to adjust again with this, we can adjust, see here, so like this, okay, alright. See, this is also a circle line, this is also a circle, so we have to adjust this, see here, exactly the circle which is there now here, see here, so like this, and just by this yellow color we have to adjust the inner circle also. So like this you have to adjust. Okay, right. So like this we have to adjust. So for this we need a practice, so we have to practice, automatically it will come. Right? Okay. After that we have to fill the color here. For that, click on format. Okay, right. After that, so we have to give the color for this one. Click here, format. Okay, for this one, right? And for this one we have to give the no fill color. Okay, for this one no fill color, right? So for this one we have given the red color. After that, see, after this if you want to insert any textbook or any figure inside this one, for that click on insert. For example, here I am inserting a clipboard, computer clipboard, see here. Okay, so we have to, it is inserted here. Okay, after that we have to click on wrap text, in front of text we have to click and we can drag here. Okay, here we can adjust. Okay, so like this, so like this we can adjust. Right? Okay, right. So we have to adjust like this, right. After that, in insert, shapes. So I'm taking again this star sign banners, this symbol. Okay, right. For this also I'm giving the color, so red color. Okay, so in this, so I want to write something here. For that, insert again text box. Here you write whatever you want to write. Here we can write registered by the government of Maharashtra. Okay, if you want to give another color, select this one. Okay, home tab. Here already black is there. If you want to give bold, give the bold. Arial black. Okay, right. After that, for this also click format, no fill, no outline, right? Just see here. And one more thing we have to add here, that is in from shapes you take these stars and you can insert like this the same stars, so you can hear us. Okay, so this is about how to design a simple logo in Microsoft Word. If you have any queries or doubts regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you so much for watching this video.